Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today the Beko Dishwasher, how to keep it hygienically fresh. Right, let's get cracking. First thing you need to do is get access to your Beko Dishwasher. That means removing the puppy, and this is the Beko Dishwasher here. So you need to open up the door, remove the bottom basket. Now, as part of keeping your Beko dishwasher hygienically fresh, it's a really good idea to clean out the filter elements and the gauze and the lower spray arm. And there's a link above now about how to do that, where I show you how to clean the lower spray arm, how to remove and clean this gauze, and also remove and clean the filter, and clean out any debris from the filter area. Over time, the filter can fill up with fat and debris, so it's definitely worth giving that a good clean out before we start this hygienically fresh dishwashing program. And you can see with this one there's lots of fat deposits, bits of food, and we've actually got a rubber foot which has come from somewhere. That is not going to do the dishwasher or impeller any good at all, and it will stop it draining properly. What you're going to need today is some dishwasher cleaner. There's lots of different brands available. We tend to use the finished dishwasher cleaner. Now with most of these, what you do is you just literally peel off the sticker on the top, and then you've got a bit of wax in there which melts when the water gets hot, and that releases the liquid inside. Don't ever be tempted to try and unscrew the lid. For this Beko dishwasher, I'm just going to use Magnum Dishwasher Cleaner, and we've got some inquisitive minds here. What you do is you lay the dishwasher cleaner down inside one of the plate trays, upside down, then put the basket back in, close the door, and you want to select the hottest washing program that there is on your dishwasher. Now on this particular Beko dishwasher model, that is washing program 4, which is a high intensity 65 degrees centigrade wash. Then let the dishwasher do its thing. That can take up to a couple of hours. Using a dishwasher cleaner helps maintain your dishwasher, removes any limescale, clears any grease, it cleans hidden parts and neutralises any odours. It also helps clean filters, spray arms and pipes. And then when that's finished, a couple of hours later, open the door. And I tell you what, this already smells absolutely fantastic. And the dishwasher is now hygienically fresh. And talking of that, there's a link above now about how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh. Then just remove the dishwasher cleaner bottle and you can put that in your local recycling. It's a good idea to run this dishwasher hygienically fresh washing program about once a month, and that will keep it in tip-top condition. And to keep myself in tip-top condition, I recommend having a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.